Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today is a tech review and I'm going to be looking at this deal right here. It's a Comica professional audio mic, and as you can see, it's a handheld wireless for your phone. You put your phone into it. So I got to open it up, check it out. Haven't dealt with it. Don't know if it's any good or not. I have reviewed a couple of Comica things before and they were decent, so you can check that out in the links below. There will be an affiliate link for this if you like. And right now, for comparison, I am going off of the Rode Wireless Go, which is my go-to microphone for any video so far. Let's see how this does. I love it when they come in cases. It's always a good sign. All right. That looks legit. Let's see. Takes a couple of batteries. What are these? AA. I just so happen to have some of those, so I will get that out. This is the stand for phone. This is the clamp for the phone. Take my phone out of its case. Stand looks fairly sturdy. I'll put it on this camera stand in a minute because I don't want it to fall. So you'll need an adapter because there's no lightning cable on the end of this, but that's okay. Let's turn it on. So I've got the mic and I've got it hooked up to my phone. I've got it all hooked up, so now I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna switch from this camera to this camera so that you can hear the difference. Okay, this should be the microphone, hopefully. I had a lot of issues because I was connecting the wrong end of the cable in, so make sure you read the labels on the cable to get the best connection. Okay, it works. I don't know how far it goes. The manual says it can go, it's got 6 channels, go up to 60 meters, uninhibited, obviously, if there's nothing in the way. So is it a good microphone? I would say, yeah, if you're doing like TikTok Live, Facebook Live, Instagram Live from your phone, and you want a good audio source, something like this would be really great. And the price is only, so if you want it, there's an affiliate link in the description below if you like it. Also, this image quality is not great, but this is on my son's iPod Touch. I thought my phone was messing up, but it turns out I just had the cable backwards, so that's why you have this video quality. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. God bless you. I'll see you in the next one.